The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the Coolpad Legacy S for Boost Mobile. So I am going to redo this video. I have already done a video about this phone before, but I'm going to redo the video. So the Coolpad Legacy S has been out for almost 2 weeks now for Boost Mobile. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone and whatnot, this phone's worth checking out. Like I said, this is a budget phone for Boost Mobile, so do not expect a whole lot on this phone. So the Coolpad Legacy S is $59.99 right now. They currently have it on sale, $40 off. The full retail price of the Coolpad Legacy S is $99.99. So like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind, alright? So this is Boost Mobile's second Coolpad smartphone. They had the Coolpad Legacy. That one has better specs and stuff. So this is what the phone looks like here. You guys have your front-facing camera, earpiece, your volume key is on the right side. Your power button's right there. It's kind of hard to see. On the left side, you have nothing. You do have an 18:9 screen there. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is 18:9. On the left side of the phone, you have nothing. There's front of the phone again, and then on the back, then there's the front of the phone again. You have the power button right there, which is a white power button, and your volume key is above that. And now on the back of the Coolpad Legacy, you guys have a camera flash, Coolpad logo, and your speaker, and you guys have this gray strip there, like it is on the Coolpad Legacy. So that's pretty nice design there, two-tone color design on the back. Your headphone jack is on top there, so it's pretty nice. Speaker right there, Coolpad, camera flash, and camera right there, so it's pretty nice. So the Coolpad Legacy S is a thoughtfully designed smartphone experience with built-in security, quality cameras, and dependable performance for an affordable price. So yeah, not bad, like I said, this is a budget phone. So the Coolpad Legacy S has 5.45-inch display, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, 17 hours of talk time, 16 gigabytes of storage, and with 9.8 Pi. Alright. Of course, how to work is order today, wait for your friend to arrive, and pick in that contract client and activate online. Pretty simple, So yeah, says expansive display. A 5.45-inch 8 Full HD Plus display provides an immersive media experience supporting the latest movies and TV formats with 18:9 Full HD. Alright. Compelling cameras take quality photos and videos with the 8 megapixel rear-facing camera and 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Select your picture and video size based on your purpose. Use your timer to help you take your best picture at the right moment. Stay powered up. With a 2,450 mAh battery, Legacy S provides 17 hours of calling, texting, and entertainment to last you throughout the day and into the night. The battery is removable on this phone, so that is a win. Additional features: it has personalized security. 2D facial unlock provides secure access to your smartphone. Analyzing 192 facial features for quick performance. So this does have base unlocks. That's pretty cool for $60. That's a win. Meaningful design. The thoughtful, symmetrical design brings everything together for a well-balanced experience. The textured cross-hatch design offers added functionality, helping protect from slips and drops. Alright, more space when you need it. With support up to 64 gigabytes of expandable memory, you'll have plenty of space for all your photos and videos. So take advantage of the micro SD card, alright, because this one has 16 gigabytes of internal storage. Latest Android experience with Android 9 Pie is the latest version of Android OS with new enhancements designed to provide a more enjoyable experience. It's also Mexico roaming capable, so that's really cool. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. You do need a planned outing for that. It also voice roaming capable, of course. Says keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming, So that's only for emergencies only, of course. If you're stranded on side of the road somewhere and you have no phone service, this will help you guys out. It's also a mobile hotspot capable, of course, so don't get stuck with that internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access. Access vary per plan. Alright. Specs on this phone, like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. So you have a 2,450 mAh battery, 17 hours of talk time. The battery is removable, so you do have access to your micro SD card and your SIM card. Remember, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of ROM. Will support up to 64 GB micro SD. It has a MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor, Android 9.8 Pie, an 8 megapixel main camera with electronic image stabilization, 5 megapixel front-facing camera layer, 5.45 inches HD plus 18:9 display. I think it's 720p display. It's not Full HD. It's 720p display for $60. I mean, you're getting 720p display. You're not getting Full HD because it says HD plus right here down here, but it says Full HD up top of this phone here. Says so at 720p display though, so you know, not too bad, I guess. You know, your dimensions are 6-inch height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. The Coolpad Legacy S weighs 5.6 ounces. And your connectivity options for the Coolpad Legacy S is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, USB-C, which is nice to have, and 3.5 headphone jack. Alright, so that's there. What's included in the box is y'all guys get the Coolpad Legacy S travel adapter, battery, and USB-C cable. So nothing special there. It might come with manuals and stuff like that in the book. In the box, it might come with manuals and stuff. So doesn't matter because no one don't read the manuals anyway. So you know they shouldn't include this, but they do. They do just in case you need to. If you guys need to learn how to do something on the phone. If you guys need the help for your Coolpad Legacy S, device support is here to help you out with that. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone, and everything from setting up your email to managing all your games and applications. So if you guys need to check that out, go ahead and check it out. It's a great tool to check out. So there you guys have it, the Coolpad Legacy S. Now available at Boost Mobile for $59.99. It's currently on sale, $40 off. The full retail price is $99.99. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.